and welcome back to another gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free baking video. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for some individual mince pie crumble. Yeah, but of course they're going to be gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free. So, let's go! You will be needing the following equipment and also the following ingredients. First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use, and then preheat your oven to 180 degrees C on a conventional oven, 160 degrees C on a fan oven, or gas mark 4. So now that we have turned on our oven and it is preheating, it is now time to prepare our cooking tray. So for this we will be needing our 6-hole cupcake or muffin tray and our 6 muffin cases. So it is literally as simple as this. You just want to put individual cup muffin cases into your cupcake or muffin tray, being careful not to double up on them, because otherwise if you do, you kind of waste a cupcake. No, muffin case. I'm so used to making cupcakes, it's really confusing for me. So now that this is all done, we're going to set this off to the side until we're ready to bake. So now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our crumble. So for this we will be needing our large mixing bowl, our spatula or wooden spoon, and all of our ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my butter to my large mixing bowl. And don't get your butter out till the last minute because it has to be cold while you're making your crumble. Followed by your gluten-free self-raising flour. Our cinnamon. And our vanilla extract. So now, after washing our hands and removing any hand jewellery plus rolling our sleeves up, we are now going to rub this lot together until it becomes nice and crumbly. So let's go. There we go, so that's everything all nice and crumbly. So the next thing to do is to add all of our caster sugar. And using our wooden spoon or our spatula, mix this lot together until well combined. So now that that is all done, I am now going to go and wash my hands and grab my prepared cupcake or muffin tray and my ice cream scoop. So now the first thing we're going to do is evenly spread our mincemeat, Christmas mincemeat. I find if I say mincemeat I get it confused with beef or lamb mincemeat, but we're going to evenly spread this between our 6 muffin cases. So 1 scoop. Oh goodness me. Here we are. So now that that lot is done, a quick note before we move on to the next stage, which is adding this lot to this. It will be a good idea if you press the mincemeat down, purely because it keeps everything compact, keeps everything together, and I think that in the overall it looks pretty darn good that way. So now I'm just going to evenly spread this crumble mixture over my mincemeat. You can use a spoon if you want, but I'm being a bit adventurous and using my spatula, and I know I'm going to make a complete mess of this. So now we're going to place these into our preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the crumble has gone a nice golden brown. After that time, we're then going to grab our cooling rack, take our crumble, that's the word, crumble out of the oven and place it onto the cooling rack straight away. So now that these are out of the oven and smelling absolutely delicious, you can either eat them cold or hot. Personally, I don't think that there's much of a difference. If you eat them cold, you can serve them with custard. If you eat them hot, you can serve them with custard. You can have them with cream, or whipped cream. Anyway, they're just delicious, and I really hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description, as I love them all and wouldn't put them there if I didn't, including the recipe for this lovely crumble and the links to all of the flour and equipment you will need for this recipe. If you do make this at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag bakingwithvickiie so that I can see all of your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me make gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!